Sarah is so fat. Look at her eating all her ice cream. Wait, check it out, wait, check it out. It's like, ooh. It's a massive amount. Don't do that. Just don't. Oh wait, my boobs are falling out again. Can you hold it while I readjust my bra?
I need to hold your boobs.
No, don't hold my boobs. Yes, hold my goddamn boobs, woman. Look. Ah! Can we not zoom in on my boobs? Let me get up out of the seat. Isn't that yummy?
Wait, it falls down when I have my bra straps on.
We'll work away.
No, it's not.
Yummy.
Putting your ice cream, you freak.
Ooh, you want some? You know you do. Yum.
No! Yes.
It's gone. You ate it. Secretly, you ate it. Yum. You ate it. You ate it. Yum. You ate it. Here comes the tray.
I see double of you.
Yummy, yummy. You know you want it. I don't think Patricia's gonna make one day. We should totally watch this, we.
I'm a little bit drunk.
Whoa, we just saw some undies.
Oh, my undies are pretty wet. Look. They're black. Are you still recording?
Yep.
And we...
Oh my god, you cannot do that on the night. Hey boy, look at me. Honestly, that was so funny. You could see everything. Oh, message.